Hey, hey, hey. Deuce here for another Bootcamp Beatdown here in downtown Hickory, North Carolina. A little bit later than normal. I switched my times to 8 o'clock. And then I had some truck issues this morning. I pressed down on the brake on my trucks and the pedals sank all the way to the bottom. So I did a little bit of testing in the driveway. I mean, the brakes are working, but last time that happened, the brake line was broken and just poured fluid out, and it was bad news, so I had to get them repaired. So had to switch everything to my wife's van and then drive out here. So a little bit late, but that's all right. It's cold and rainy, so I'm under the shelters, trying to stay as dry as possible, but I'll be getting a little bit wet. No problem though. Let's just get right to it. Like I said, it's a little cold, so let's do the first the warm-ups. The first exercise is going to be side straddle hop. Get that heart beating. Starting position move. In cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, halt. Next exercise, there's going to be a standing fly, like this. Starting position move. In cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, halt. Whew. That was a good stretch in the back. I could feel my back muscles like starting to pinch a little bit. So, and my neck too. So, to make sure you're not pulling any muscles, you know, modify any of these exercises as needed. I'm not a professional. Just out here getting fit, giving you some ideas. Just have to modify the workout for whatever fits you. Just keep moving for that 45 minutes. Let's get that heart rate going again. Side straddle hop. Starting position move. In cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, halt. Yeah, I was hoping for some snow out here today. It snowed a little bit overnight, but then warmed up and now it's raining, so thought it would look nice with a bunch of snow on the ground, but oh well, we got rain. Next exercise is the Imperial Walker. Starting position move. In cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, halt. Nice. All right, next exercise is the overhead clap, like this. Starting position move. In cadence, arms do not go below your shoulders. Starting position move. In cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, halt. All right. Next exercise is the side straddle hop. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, halt. All right. Next exercise is the breaststroke, standing breaststroke. So it's out, down, down. Really reach out and stretch those arms out and then pull back, press that chest forward, and then release. Bring it up. All right. We'll just do 20 on your own. I'm kind of rounding my back as I go forward, pressing my chest out. I have no idea where I'm at, maybe 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, I'm feeling like I need to roll out my neck a little bit. So let's do head down to your chest and left ear to left shoulder. Pull your shoulders down and chest out. Feel that stretch along your neck. And looking up. And then right ear to right shoulder, drop those shoulders down, chest out. And then I'm just gonna rotate. Rotate around a couple times. And then the opposite direction. All right, another good way to do it is take that arm behind and grab, and then pull your straight arm out away from your body, and that really dips that shoulder down, and then you tilt your head the opposite way. You get a nice stretch along that neck. All right, let's get that blood pumping again. Side straddle hop. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, halt. All right, next exercise is run in place, and then we're gonna add in high knees, and then run in place, and then add in high knees. I'll just call it as we go. So, run in place. High knees. Run in place. High knees. Run in place. Let's throw in butt kickers. And really kicking those feet back behind you. Run in place. high knees. Right in place. Let's do karaoke, so it's gonna be like this. I've never actually done this in a limited space like this. Normally do one direction, kind of one way, and then switch it up the other way. Just trying some stuff out, trying to keep the camera out of the rain. High knees. Run in place. And recover. All right. Hey, morning chainsaw. Snow, yeah, it was snowing last night, but it warmed up. Now it's just rain. So what I should have done, I should have got up early and drove up to Boone because they have snow up there, but I didn't do that. So anyway, here we are. Sorry. Next exercise is side straddle hop. Keep that heart rate going. Starting position move, in cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 17. Now 17, 18, 19, 20. I started thinking about something else. So, Chainsaw, when are you changing your name back? Or are you just going to stick with the chain shot now? Since you've had it for a while now. Hey, let's do another exercise. We're going to do the windmill. 3 more weeks. What's the total time you had to wait from the time you changed it? All your other stuff's changed. Oh yeah. 60 days. Oh wow, that seems like, I thought it was like 30 days. Seems excessive, but all right. Windmill. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3. Halt. All right, next exercise, side straddle hop. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3. Halt. Whew. Next exercise is the berry picker. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3. Halt. All right. Well, that's the warm up. Not gonna do the normal mosey because of the rain and the equipment. So we'll just get right into it. I did that running in place stuff in place of us running around. So next thing we're gonna do is called the just started. Yeah, I got a late start. My the brakes on my truck were acting wonky, so I had to switch everything to my wife's van and then drive over here. And so you just woke up, huh? How much longer did you play last night? I only got, I think, 6.5 hours of sleep last night, which is all right. I'm actually good at 7, but 7 hours is a good amount of sleep for me. So next thing we're going to do is the Lieutenant Dan's from 1:30 a.m. Man, so you're about the same amount of sleep as me. So Lieutenant Dan's from the movie Forrest Gump. He got his legs blown off. Poor Lieutenant Dan. So we're not going to get our legs blown off, but it might feel like you don't have any legs by the time you're done. So what we're going to do is we're going to lunge walk out that way. And normally you start it, and we're going to squat. So it's normally 1 squat, 2 lunges, 2 squats, 4 lunges, 3 squats, 6 lunges, so forth. I'm going to go ahead and go 10. I'm going to do 10 squats and my 20 lunges, and we're going to count it back down. That way, distance-wise, because I'm going to go back and forth. So I'll do the 20 out and then the 18 back, and that way I can judge my distances better. So, all right. Let's start with 20 squats right here. I'm just gonna get where the camera can see me. All right. And then I'll go that way into the rain. This is actually 10 squats, not 20. And then it's 20 lunges. I think I might be at 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm gonna lunge 20 lunges that way and come back and I'll do my 9 squats and 18 back. Whew. All right, I don't know if I was in camera that time. I need to aim right for that tree. All right, try that. All right, 8 squats this time. Lunges, 7 squats, 14 lunges. Also, by starting at the top like that, I won't short myself. Stop at 8 or stop at 9. I'm already committed to the 10 and 20. So, all right, six squats. Feeling that burn really well already. 12 lunges. If you want to make this even more fun, after you do your squats, do the same number of burpees. It makes it really good. It makes it really good. All right, next we're doing 4 squats, 8 lunges, 3 squats, 6 lunges. All right. Right. Sorry about all the noise. How's it going? Got a garbage truck here cleaning it up for us. Appreciate that. All right, next is 2 lunges. What's up, RCM? How you doing? All right, 2 squats, 4 lunges. And then 1 squat, 2 lunges. All right, those are Lieutenant Dan's. That one's tough. Give myself a little leg stretch here. Next, we're gonna get that heart rate up again. Like I said, I'm not gonna run out here in the rain with the camera, so we'll do some just stationary stuff. So let's do side straddle hop to start. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, halt. All right. Almost Monday. Yeah, I'd rather it just stay Sunday for the rest of the week, but I guess going back to work's not totally horrible. So next we're gonna do run in place. I'll call high knees from time to time. So just kind of alternate. So run in place. High knees. Run in place. High knees. Run in place. High knees. Front in place. And halt. Nice. Next exercise, they call them the Bobby Hurleys. I don't know who the dude is. Apparently he's a basketball player of some kind. So it's a jump squat with a shot. Do 10 of those on your own. Touch the ground with your hand and up. I'm gonna do the other hand. All right. Nice. All right, let's do some upper body here. Move you all to the ground here. Probably move that camera up a bit. That's the wrong way. All right, let me just scooch. Found a little dry spot right here. So I don't have to lay in the water. So, next thing we're gonna do is the Jack Webb. Jack Webb, similar idea to the Lieutenant Dan. So we're gonna do a push-up. Then we're gonna get up to our knees and do 2 air presses. I'll have to move back for that, but I think I can do that. Then it's 2 push-ups on your knees, 4 air presses, and you keep building. We'll do these from the bottom up. I don't have to count off distance or anything. So then we'll finish with a couple extra arm and shoulder exercises just to complete the burn. All right? So, 1 push-up on your knees, 2 air presses, 1, 2, 2 push-ups, 4 air presses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 push-ups, 6 air presses. You think the air press is nothing, but believe me, by the time we're done, it's gonna feel like you're lifting something. What was that, 3 and 6? All right, 4 and 8. All right, 8. 5 and 10. Right wrist is kind of hanky there. Feels like it's got a little kink in it. It needs to just loosen up. All right, 6. All right. 10. Oh, sorry, 12. All right, 7. 14 air presses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. A little snot bubble there. Definitely cold out here. All right, 8. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9. You got 2 more sets. they're getting hard. If you need to modify, don't get hurt. You need to be on your knees while you're doing those push-ups, that's fine. You can't do that many reps, that's fine too. As many as you've done, if that's your max, that's your max. Just keep doing it, next time you'll be able to do more. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, last set. I kind of spread my arms out wide that time, and I don't do those much, so I'm gonna keep them kind of a normal set this time. All right, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 20 air presses. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh man, that's a good burn. All right, actually I'm gonna get up on my knees because the next thing we're gonna do the Moroccan nightclub. Looks like this, hands up, hands down. All right, you're not rolling your shoulders. Shoulders stay where they are, it's just hands up and hands down. Looks easy, right? Well, let's do it. Side position move, in cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, and down. Oh. Massive shoulder burn on that. Massive. All right, I'm gonna sit cross-legged, so I'm a little bit lower. This time we're gonna do overhead clap. I'm gonna move back just a little bit. Hopefully you can still hear me. There we go. Arms don't come below your shoulders. Starting position move, in cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, halt. Ah. You think that would be easy with no weight? Ah. These gloves aren't heavy or anything. Just that combo of the Jack Webbs and then the Moroccan nightclub and then the overhead clap. All those together. Nice shoulder burn for sure. All right, what is the time? We need to do an in-place mosey, and then we'll do the ab routine similar to what we just did. All right. Might need to aim you up a little bit more. Actually, you need to aim you down a little bit more. I went up last time. All right. All right. Next exercise is the side straddle hop. Starting position move. In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, halt. We'll move you back just a bit because I'm standing in the rain over there. All right. Next exercise. Run in place and high knees. Run in place. High knees. Running place. High knees. Running place. High knees. Running place. Woo. All right, and stop. All right, next we're gonna do the ab routine, the abs. So actually, let me move this chair real quick because it's gonna be in the way. We'll put you down on the ground where we were for the jack web push-ups. All right, angle it up a little bit. Wrong way again. All right, so same idea as the jack web and Lieutenant Dan. We're gonna do one World War II sit-up. That's all the way back, all the way up. Try to use your core, try not to use those arms as leverage, okay? One of those, 2 little baby crunches, like this. All right, then we'll do 2 World War IIs, 4 crunches, 3 World War IIs, 6 crunches, and we'll keep adding just like that, all right? So, first thing, World War II sit-up. Let me move out here. All right, go. 1, 2 little baby crunches. 1, 2, 2 World War IIs. 1, 2, 4 crunches. 3 World War IIs. 6 crunches. 4 World War IIs. 8 crunches. 5 World War IIs. 10 crunches. 6 World War IIs. Hey, these are also known as big boy sit-ups. Little baby crunches. 7 World War II. Definitely use my arm on that one. 14 World War II, or little baby crunches. 8 big boy sit up, World War II. right. Whew. Abs, 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 yep. 9 World War IIs. I'm getting close to the top. All right, 18 crunches. Woo! 10 World War II big boy sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 20 crunches. Go. Yeah, there we go. Foot solutions and the wine shots. You mean work out? What? Nice. All right, what's the time here? Oh, I'm getting close to being done. Let's do some plank jacks. How about that? I was gonna do some jumping jacks, but we're already down here with the camera. So plank jacks, jumping jack from here, starting position, move, in cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, halt. Woo. Never know how much that hits your core until you do a whole bunch of core exercises right before it. Oh, at the storefronts, huh? Oh yeah, Foot Solutions Wine Shop. I don't pay attention to what's down here really. I know there's a restaurant over there that I've been to. That's about all that matters to me. Good eats. Good eats. All right. Let's do the American Hammer, Russian Twist, Mason Twist, however you want to call it, international favorite. This will be our last exercise. Starting position, move, in cadence, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3. Got a little bit lax there on those. Wasn't bringing those hands all the way down. All right. Grab a chair. Oh, what a good workout. Even with no running space, you can make it work. So any of y'all follow me at home doing this workout in your garage or at a gym or whatever, you can run in place. A lot of times, I mean, pretty much every workout, if it's not raining, have a run session in between action, sips coffee. Nice. There you go. Reps, right? Good for the wrist muscle. So yeah, so it's normally a set of exercises, a Mosey comeback set of exercises, and uptime 46 minutes. Nice. Yeah, so these workouts I try to hit around 45 minutes. When I work out with F3, our Saturday workout, well, depends on where you go. A lot of groups do an hour for a Saturday, but anyway, yeah, changed a lot. Do it, man. It was a good one, because you're focusing on a muscle group and you're really getting, really pushing it, and then you switch to another muscle group, really push it. So I think I've done this one before on stream, or at least each one of those sets, but it's been a while. So anyway, if you do my workouts, just know I'm not a professional fitness trainer. I've been doing these boot camp workouts with the F3 men's workout group for like over 7 years. That's the only training I have. Done a lot of long, endurance events with them too. So just modify as needed. If you can't do an exercise, do something different. The idea is just keep moving for 45 minutes and just do the best you can. You need to do more reps than me. I know there's some beasts out there who could crush a lot more push-ups than that. Go ahead, do some extras, it's fine. So if you can't catch me live, my live times are 6:15 a.m. Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 o'clock on Sundays. You can catch me on YouTube. Just go to YouTube and search Juiced F3. I don't have a real permanent URL yet, but someday. Thanks, Chase Law. You are awesome too. Whenever you want to sail, let's do it. Yeah, last night was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. We should do it again. You are a fun person to play with, that's for sure. Actually, the combo of you and Eric together, you guys are funny. You're real funny. It makes it a lot of fun. So, woo! Nice. So anyway, I'll be back out here tomorrow, 6:15. It'll be dark outside and it'll probably be cold. Hopefully it's not raining, so I don't have to be underneath the shelters again. I like to get around, move around. So anyway, until next time, deuce out.